Well, a big congratulations to Milford portrait photographer John Malura. You may remember him for his art, which we covered on an edition of The Bright Side. Malura submitted 3 photos to a competition to exhibit his work at the Biggs Art Museum in Dover, and the image that won was the moment that Dayne Jordan, the MC for DJ Jazzy Jeff, took flight mid-song in a downpour. Malura made it through a national selection, boiled down to 30 people for the final round. He takes pictures of people who have been through tough life challenges, and he says to have an honor like this means a lot.
It's really mind-blowing because I grew up thanks to my my uncles George and Dennis finding their vinyl collections in the late 80s, growing up listening to all of these musicians that now my work is next to.
Malura's photograph is currently on display at the Biggs Art Museum, and you can find it in the Front Row Center Icons of Rock, Blues, and Soul exhibit. Well, coming up after the break, sports anchor Devin J. Martin reacts to the Sixers'